This Anolon Advanced Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Frying Pan is great. It is 10.25 inches and has a moonstone color. The pan helps consumers cook food easily. It has a non-stick surface. This means food will slide right off. Cleaning the pan is also very easy. You do not need to scrub hard. The Anolon Advanced Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Pan heats up quickly. It also heats evenly. This helps your food cook well. There are no hot spots, so your steak will cook just right. The hard anodized material is strong. It is even stronger than stainless steel. This pan is built to last for a long time. It can handle everyday cooking. If you want a good pan, this is it. The Anolon Advanced Home Hard Anodized Nonstick Skillet offers great rendimiento. It makes cooking dishes simpler. You can find it at your favorite shop. It might not be on Shopbop, but check kitchen stores. This pan will be a work of art in your kitchen. It is a good status symbol for home cooks. Consider adding this to your kitchen collection. Pros: easy to clean, oven safe, even heating, comfortable handle, lasting nonstick. Stain resistant, versatile use, secure grip. Cons: color may not match sets, surface can chip off, non-stick may fail, not induction compatible. Lighter than expected, eggs can still stick, warranty may not cover chipping, some find cleanup hard, reported sticking issues, non-stick may wear out. Features: oven safe to 400 degrees F, durable handle, easy to clean, uniform heating, lasting nonstick, stain resistant, comfortable grip, aluminum base. This 10.25-inch Anolon frying pan has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick easily. It heats evenly, which helps your food cook well. The pan is made with a strong aluminum base and has a handle that is easy to hold. It can also go in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it is easy to wash and will not get stained easily. The Anolon Advanced Home 10.25-inch frying pan is designed to be easy to clean and oven safe, offering even heating and a comfortable, secure grip. It has a lasting and stain-resistant nonstick surface, making it versatile for different cooking tasks. However, the color might not match existing sets, and there's a possibility the nonstick surface could chip or fail over time. It's also not suitable for induction cooktops and might feel lighter than some expect. With reports that eggs can still stick, the warranty might not cover chipping, and some users have found it hard to clean or experienced sticking issues, suggesting the nonstick may wear out with use.